Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy and Tasty Options. Here I am with amazing healthy and tasty recipe oil-free chicken drumsticks in air fryer. Usually it's grilled or baked in grill and oven, but with air fryer it makes it so easy and perfect. Comes out super tasty, tender and appetizing. Could you believe it will be so tasty that your family won't even notice it has zero oil? I really like to cut down oil and fat wherever needed without compromising on taste. There are many dishes which need oil. Some need to be even deep fried, cannot escape. Let's get started. This recipe is for 8 drumsticks. You can marinate once in bulk and freeze the rest. As you know, defrosted marination gets runny. Stay tuned as I am going to show trick how to make defrosted ones perfect without oil. On a healthy note, I prefer taking off the skin as it's fatty. Use either cloth or gloves to get good grip for pulling the skin. As you see now, it's easy to pull off the skin. Wash with water 2 to 3 times. For less to zero oil meat recipes to absorb marination well, I always air dry the meat for a few minutes with tissues or cloth. Helps to get rid of excess moisture. Place polythene to keep countertop clean. And then place tissue or cloth. Arrange the drumsticks. For quick drying, place tissue on top. After a few minutes, excess moisture will be gone. While these getting air dried, let's prepare the marination. In a bowl, add 1.5 teaspoon chili powder or paprika, half a teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoon thick yogurt, half a teaspoon tandoori masala powder, or you can use quarter teaspoon chili powder and quarter teaspoon garam masala. If you want, you can add 1 teaspoon oil for marination. It's optional. I'm keeping it oil free. I'm not going to add any oil. As you see, drumsticks got moisture free. Make few slits to coat marination deep inside well. Apply marination mix to the drumsticks. Another easy way is to use Ziploc bags. Drumsticks get coated well with marination. Refrigerate for at least 1 to 2 hours before air frying. Refrigerate the rest for a day, then freeze them. Otherwise, upon freezing right away, drumsticks won't get coated well. Check my video how to keep drip pan and trays mess free from fat and grease. Use liner on airfryer tray to avoid mess. Arrange 4 to 5 drumsticks as per tray size. Place the drip pan at the bottom. Cover drip pan with liner or foil if you place drumsticks directly on tray without liner. Fat and grease will drip over foil, which can be discarded, but tray needs to be cleaned. Place tray in middle rack. Airfry at 370 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Instant Vortex Plus air fryer preheats for around 5 minutes first. Include these minutes for other air fryer models with no preheating. 5 minutes of preheating, 15 minutes of air frying time makes total of 20 minutes. Flip them every 5 minutes including preheating time. If you don't have liner, check 2 to 3 minutes early if drumsticks are done. Timer is almost done. After timer is done, flip one last time. As I didn't use oil, remove the skin, it has least fat. To keep more tender and juicy, I'm going to leave them inside hot air fryer for 2 minutes. Note that air fryer is off. After 2 minutes, oil-free drumsticks are ready to serve. Super tasty, tender, zero oil air fried drumsticks are ready. Serve with onions, lemon, bell peppers, etc. Here is my tip. Leave the air fryer open for few hours to avoid meat smell if any. These liners are reusable and easy to wash. You can see how clean the drip pan and tray is. Let's see air frying frozen drumsticks. Thaw at room temperature for overnight. or keep in warm water, or defrost in microwave by transferring to safe bowl. I have defrosted after keeping outside for overnight. Defrosting makes the marination more runny. Rest of the whole process is all same. So here is the trick. Add little defrosted marination on top after flipping couple of times. It's like brushing with oil, keeps marination intact. Enjoy these tasty drumsticks with your family. Hope you like my way of keeping drumsticks tasty and oil free. Stay tuned for more amazing, healthy, and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.